Yummy. Look at all of that delicious chocolate. Let's go ahead and make sure that we get all of that out, you guys. We are starting with 2 bags of this delicious Ghirardelli white chocolate on this fabulous morning. So once you have that in your baking dish here, we're just gonna spread that out to make a nice even layer. Ooh, that looks so silky, creamy, and delicious. Then I'm gonna come in here with a can here of some creamy yellow frosting, and I'm gonna pour that right down the center. Wow, look at that, you guys. Spring is in the air. I'll tell you what, I am sick of this cold weather, right? So I am thinking of sunshine and spring, and that really brings me into thinking about things like Easter and flowers and everything in bloom. Oh gosh, I can't wait, you know? I am really into some great lemon for springtime. So you can see that I added 2 of those bags, which would be 20 ounces of the Ghirardelli white chocolate here, and I'm mixing it together with a jar of our creamy yellow frosting. Now I'm kind of swirling it around. It doesn't have to be perfect, right? But I really want to start to mix in that frosting with the white chocolate. What that's going to do is it's going to give us a consistency that is creamy and silky like fudge. It's going to have some creaminess from the white chocolate and a little bit of that zing from that lemon. It is going to knock your socks off. So you can just nice and quickly just spread it through with that white chocolate, kind of just getting all of that in there. I really love the swirl effect. So it doesn't have to be completely mixed all together. You can leave some of that swirl effect in there, but you can see that it's already starting to thicken up here. That's exactly what you want. So mix that all together. Oh, this is gonna be so good. We've got it all mixed together, and we're gonna add some jelly beans right in the mix. So I'm gonna go with the classic jelly beans here. Now, gosh, there are so many jelly beans out on the market. I can hardly believe it, right? I don't know, I saw Skittles, I saw Sweet Tarts. Well, you guys have a favorite kind of jelly bean out there? Let me know. There are too many to really choose, right? I'm gonna stick with the old-fashioned right here for this, just using some regular original style jelly beans. I don't know, that's what aren't these the original, the OG, right? The OG jelly beans. And I am just gonna put them all over top. I can see that they're starting to sink into this delicious chocolatey kind of fudge mixture that we made. And what a fun idea for spring, right? Plus, it's so easy, even the grandkids or anybody can help, anybody can do this. All I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna set it to the side. I'm gonna give it a couple hours just to cool down and stick around. I think you're gonna love this sweet fudgy treat. 3 ingredients, that's it, let's go. All right, you guys, I don't know about you, but I am ready to give this easy spring treat a try. Look at how colorful that looks with all those jelly beans. I love it. Now, if all goes well, yes, here we are. We should be able to lift that right out of our container. We'll start to peel back. Perfect. Our little parchment paper, that is working out great. And now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give myself a nice piece right here in the front. Oh yeah, I want that purple jelly bean right there for sure. Look at that, looks so good. Oh, it's so smooth and creamy, just digging right in. Oh, it's like almost like a fudgy texture. Look at that. It's a little bit of that jelly bean. This is delicious. How fun. The texture. The lemony. If you want to do the jelly bean, it's like you bite into this lemony kind of fudge, and then all of a sudden you get this pop of flavor from the jelly bean and a little bit change in the consistency. I absolutely love it. Of course, if you don't want to do it, don't do it. And if you're going to add something else in, well, you know I want to hear about it. I love this easy treat for spring. Really, the base of it is only 2 ingredients. We have the lemon frosting and the white chocolate. Anything else you want to add is extra. I love the idea of jelly beans, but of course, always open to sharing suggestions. I'm going to cut this up and share it with my neighbors, so I'll see you guys later. Enjoy.